Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure H&R Block for Roth IRA forms and schedules step by step clearly. To begin, launch the H&R Block software on your computer. Sign in to your account using your credentials. On the main dashboard, locate and select the Federal tab. Scroll down to find the Retirement section within the menu. Click on Retirement Accounts to access the relevant forms. Select the option for Roth IRAs from the list provided. You will be prompted to enter your contributions for the tax year. Fill in the amount you contributed to your Roth IRA during the year. Next, ensure you indicate if you have made any conversions from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. If applicable, enter the amount converted and the date of the conversion. Move on to the Withdrawals section if you took any distributions. Input any amounts withdrawn from your Roth IRA, along with the dates. Review your entries to confirm that all information is accurate and complete. After reviewing, navigate back to the Federal section. Select Review to check for any potential errors or omissions. Correct any issues found during the review process. Once everything is verified, proceed to the File section. Choose the method you prefer to file your return electronically or by mail. Follow the prompts to complete the filing process. Congratulations, you have successfully configured H&R Block for Roth IRA forms and schedules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.